be a cabin crew because I want to fly very high, and plus I do not want to study, and I think I have studied it. Well, enough for a man. I think I am very ready to fly high and also travel and party, live my young life, and I'm very foodie person. Sometimes I eat too much food and I become fat.
Okay, nice to know about you, Ravi. I'd also like to know, why do you want to be a cabin crew?
Ma'am, this area of profession is grounded by the virtues of morality, sympathy, and equity. These virtues I really put my faith in, and I'm really looking and forward to stretch it to a professional scale by the guidance of this airline, and I'm very zealous to learn new things, meet new faces, meet new people, and see new faces every day. And this job promises this. And also, one of the most essential or unique factors that pulls me towards this area is that I would have an office that is 35,000 feet above ground level. So that is a flex